Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chicken cucumber salad. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, which can be leftover or freshly prepared. Also, grab 1 large English cucumber, some fresh dill, and a bit of red onion. For the creamy dressing, we'll use Greek yogurt and fresh lemon juice, along with a few other pantry staples. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get them ready. If your chicken isn't already shredded, take a moment to do so, aiming for consistent, bite-sized pieces. Next, wash your English cucumber thoroughly and then slice or dice it thinly. Remember to finely chop about 2 tablespoons of red onion and 1/4 cup of fresh dill. These aromatics add wonderful flavor to our salad. The heart of any great salad is its dressing, and ours is simple yet incredibly flavorful. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of creamy Greek yogurt with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a little tang, and season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk everything together until it's perfectly smooth and ready to coat our salad. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your shredded chicken, the prepared cucumber, and the finely chopped red onion and fresh dill. Now, pour that delicious, zesty Greek yogurt dressing over all the ingredients. Toss everything gently until every piece is beautifully coated. For the best flavor, chill your salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your refreshing chicken cucumber salad.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.